Let's talk about something every designer faces: ambiguity. Almost every whiteboard challenge you'll encounter will include missing information, unclear details, or vague goals. And that's intentional. It's not an oversight, it's strategy. Recruiters do this deliberately to see how you navigate uncertainty, because in real projects, you'll rarely have all the answers up front. What they want to observe is how you stay calm, structured, and decisive when things aren't perfectly defined. So let's break this down into three steps that help you handle ambiguity gracefully and confidently. Ask follow up questions. When you receive the prompt, your first instinct might be to jump straight into drawing, but pause. Start by probing for critical missing information. Ask thoughtful, targeted questions that clarify what really matters. For example, who are we designing for? What's the primary goal of this experience? Are we optimizing for engagement, conversion, or retention? 3 to 5 focused questions like these are more than enough. They show curiosity without turning the session into an interrogation. This step demonstrates your analytical thinking, that you don't design blindly, but with purpose. Make reasonable assumptions. Now, sometimes you'll ask a question and the interviewer will simply say, "Let's assume you decide." That's your cue to make a reasonable assumption and state it aloud. For example, since the prompt doesn't specify the platform, I'll assume our primary users are mobile first professionals who value speed and clarity. See what that does? It shows decisiveness and structured reasoning. You're not guessing, you're making a professional assumption based on logic, and when you state it clearly, it helps interviewers follow your thought process. This moment is powerful because it signals confidence. You're showing that ambiguity doesn't slow you down, it sharpens your judgment. Finally, once you've clarified and made your assumptions, move forward. Don't get stuck in uncertainty. Interviewers want to see momentum, not perfection. Even if you're unsure, progress beats paralysis. You can say, based on these assumptions, I'll move forward with this flow. If time permits later, we can explore alternate paths. That line communicates leadership. You're showing you can make a decision, keep things on track, and adapt later if needed, exactly what product teams look for in fast paced environments. Remember this: a good guess is better than no decision. Strong candidates acknowledge uncertainty, but they don't let it stop them. They transform ambiguity into clarity through structured thinking. So the next time you face an unclear prompt, ask smart questions, make logical assumptions, and move forward with confidence. That's what makes you not just a good designer, but a great problem solver. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.